My name's Helen Sweeney, live in Rada, Cardiff. We didn't really have any idea what we wanted. Just wanted something totally different to what we had. We had quite a dark, it was all dark granite, dark cupboards. It was the kitchen that was with the house when we moved in. It was easy, just go into the showroom. It was always a nice experience to go. Lisa was really helpful. She was great and helped us pick what we wanted in the end. She'd drawn a kitchen up for us and had pictures and everything for us, and I just thought, oh, that's too modern. It's exactly what we told her we wanted, but seeing it on the computer, we just scrapped it and just started again, really. Poor Lisa. It just completely changed. I think it went from like really neutrals, and then we were like, right, why don't we have a bit of colour? So it looks sort of traditional, but still with a modern twist, or modern with a traditional twist. And when we saw it all together, really, really, really pleased with it. Loved the cocktail cupboard. You know, it was something that we saw in the showroom and we were just like, we've got to have that. Just loved the look of it. Gonna hopefully have a lot of parties in years. You know, when you open the door and you've got people here, they're like, wow, it's amazing. I'd always wanted an island, always. I just wanted a family just to sit around it and watch my husband cook. And the cupboards in there as well, it's just perfect. But we just used to have a recycling bag in the utility room hidden, and it just looked awful. So yeah, she told us about the bins, and yeah, brilliant. Our kitchen fitter was great. Jamie, I love him. It was all going on. It was building, and the extension was still being built, but the kitchen had to go in at a certain time. Nothing was too much trouble for him. He was fab. I loved the way they built around the fridge. That was what I wanted. I wanted to keep the American style fridge, and the way they fitted that around it was just nothing was too much trouble, really. It's completely changed the house. You know, we were looking to move, but we love it now, so we'll probably stay for another 10 years. We love to have a lot of people over. There's enough room for everyone to sit down, and just, yeah, it does really suit our day-to-day life as well. You know, and you can eat as a family now around the table, whereas before we didn't really bother. It was always a nice experience to go and pick a kitchen at that time when we needed a bit of light in our lives. I would definitely recommend Sigma.